Hey my sunshines, welcome back to our channel, Sunshine Cute Hairstyles. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button for more hair tutorials in 3, 2, 1. Okay, today we'll be doing a Dutch braid Halloween edition. First, I'll create a 3-strand braid. Then I'll start to make the Dutch braid with a topsy tail. I'm taking a small piece of hair and pulling it through the topsy tail. I will repeat this step all the way to the end. Hey my sunshines, that's how I will do a Dutch braid using a topsy tail. Now you'll see I'm putting on some accessories. I found these on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below if you would like to check them out. The headbands are also on Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. If you have any ideas or questions, please let me know in the comments below. You can also connect with us on our social media handles. Please make sure to like this video, it really helps us to see what you enjoy watching. Also, before you leave, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay updated on the latest hair tutorial. Until next time, my sunshines, I love and appreciate your support. Don't forget to share. Please check out our other videos.